Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. If the letters of the word trigonometry are arranged alphabetically, what will be the fourth letter? So we have this word trigonometry, and when arranged alphabetically, we get first will be E, then there will be G, then I, M, N, double O, double R, double T and Y. So the fourth letter is M. Answer is option D.